Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm taking unit 3, that is the probability and probability distribution. So we are continuing with examples of Poisson distribution sums. So in my previous video I have taken examples related to Poisson distribution and I have explained it in detail with formula. So if you haven't watched it yet, I've left the link in the description below. You can go back to my previous video and watch it. So over here, this is the second example which I'm taking. In a certain factory, turning out razor blades, there is a small chance of 0.002 for any blade to be defective. Now they're telling over here that Rp is equal to 0.002. Then the blades are supplied in the packet of 10. Now they're telling our small n is equal to 10. Then use Poisson distribution to calculate the approximate number of packets containing no defective, 1 defective and 2 defective. Now they have given us 3 cases over here that we have to solve. They are telling it should be no defective, then 1 defective, then 2 defective blades respectively in a consignment of 10,000 packets. Now they are telling over here this 10,000 will be capital N is equal to 10,000. So now for Poisson distribution, they have told over here that we have to find the Poisson distribution. Now for this, our formula is P of R is equal to m raised to R e raised to minus m upon R factorial. Now for this we need m. Now how to find m? P into n is equal to m. Now we have n, we can find m. So m is equal to 0.0002 into, sorry there is just 2 zeros, 0.002 into 10 is equal to, it is m is 0.02. Now therefore now we have m. Now we can solve it by condition wise. Now the first condition is no defective. We can write here no defective. Now no defective means what it is it is P of 0. They are telling us to find P of 0. Now R over here is 0. So with that we can put it into a formula is equal to m is 0.02 raised to R, which is 0. Then e raised to minus m. Now m is 0.02 upon R factorial, that is 0 factorial. Now you can solve this. I will write the answer over here. You can check it once in Calci. It is 0.9801. Now what they are telling is, now this is our answer for no defective and that also for, so for that therefore number of packets, how much packets are there we have to find. So for that will be 0.9801 into 10,000. Why? Because there is a consignment of 10,000 packets. Now this we have found for just 1. We have to find it for 10,000. So we are multiplying it by 10,000. Now this answer I'll write it over here. You can check it out once. It's 9801. You can write in Calci is 1 defective. Now 1 defective, means P of 1. Now this is very simple. It is as same as the previous one. So over here it was P of 0, it was P of 1. So we have to just put in the values. It is again the same, this formula, m, that is 0.02 raised to R, which is 1 over here, into e raised to minus m, which is 0.02 upon 0 upon 1 factorial, because the r over here is 1, r factorial. So therefore I am writing the answer over here. You can try it once in Calci. Again it is 0.019. Now again the same process for number of packets. Therefore number of packets is equal to this answer 0.019 into 1000. We have to just multiply it by 10,000, sorry. Now the third question, they are telling over here that 2 defective blades. Now we have done for 0, 1, now we have to do for 2. 2 defective. So when it is 2 defective, then it will be P of 2 is equal to, now just we have to do same as above. We have to put these values in the formula, that is 0.02 raised to 2 into e raised to minus 0.02 upon 2 factorial. Now you can solve this in the calci. I'll write the answer over here. It is, so we have to just put this in the formula, and now I'm leaving the answer over here. You can solve it in the calci and you can write it. And the last thing what you have to do is, therefore, number of brackets is equal to whatever the answer comes into 10. Now this is the final answer. Also this you can solve it. You have to just put the values in the calci and you can try it once. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, I'll be taking some more examples related to probability and probability distribution unit. So stay tuned. Also, I upload videos every Monday to Saturday. So until then, keep watching. Thank you.